We're Team Apple and I'm Yaba and we are Ghana bound. So when we first moved into this house, we were very blessed to have stuff already here. The thing is, we're a family of 4 and we've got a small fridge, so you can see it's like my height and I'm small. In fact, smaller than me, so it just will not quite do for what we need for this family. Stuff is constantly falling out of it. When we make food to freeze, it's like we cram it in with some bottles and yeah, it's not working. So spoke to Sam about it. He said, yeah, okay, no problem. We're gonna go for a double fridge. Now, we were thinking about it because we're obviously building the extension or the new section. It's gonna have a whole separate kitchen, and that kitchen we're hoping to do a built-in fridge, built-in double fridge. But this side of the house is still gonna be very much used, so it's not necessarily a waste of money. That's my excuse to buy a fridge now. So do you want to know how much it costs to get a double fridge in Ghana? Are they good quality and are they brands that you've actually heard of? So come with us and we will give you all the information, and yeah, any questions you have, please write it in the comments below and hopefully we can get the answers for you. Okay, cool, so let's go.
Mommy!
Dream day got me on.
Starzy.
White family music. I'm coming back to where I belong. You're the reason why I'm singing this song. Boy, I did you no wrong, but you broke my heart.
Say cheese. So where are we going? Hey baby, where are we going? What are we buying? What do you want to get? More mango. Okay baby, we'll see what we can do, okay? Mangoes are actually out of season at the moment, so they're really expensive, but we'll see what we can do for Princess. Okay, so we're back in our favorite place and we're going to go straight in with the different types that we see. So this is nice one with a screen. What did you say the screen was for?
That one's so you can see what's inside it before you've gone in.
Okay, cool. And the red price is with the discount card.
Yeah.
And the yellow one is if you haven't got a card.
Yeah, that's right.
Nice.
Food,
Okay.
plumbing. Nice. Here's the side.
Benjamin, Beatrice, come here please. Beatrice, come here please.
And this is the same thing, drawer in drawer.
The price drops drastically.
Yeah.
It
So
does.
Yep.
It's just gone from 14,000 to 4,000. What brand is this? Nasco. How does Natural Ghana Girl do it with her 4 children? Her 4 children just stand, obey, and don't run around. Unlike these 2. Unlike these 2. That's big though. Come next to you. Almost 6 footer.
It's on the stand.
Oh, excuse the cheating.
Out the way.
So this is a nice one, this silver one here. It's got no dispenser though, and we're going for one with a dispenser, but this is nice still.
only what? Oh, 6.
So that's about £800 or something like that. I guess if we're going for a dispenser, we should stick to the ones that have it. But it's good to see these other brands. So have you heard of Medea? Here, Medea. Have you heard of it?
Baby, want to get down?
Have you guys heard of Nasco? Sorry. Any recommendation there? Benji, calm down, darling.
Alright, I'm leaving.
I mean,
Bye-bye.
is that not
Leaving to where?
you're considering?
I'm not too concerned about brands, just
Right.
that they last.
Yeah. That's about brand familiarity for us, isn't it?
Yeah, but that's
They've got a whole section. They do TVs.
exactly.
They do everything. But
So
I've never heard of them.
if you guys know of these people, then recommendations are all good. Nasco. Just because we haven't heard of it doesn't mean it's not
You
good.
shouldn't use it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Daddy, what's this?
What have you seen?
That's okay.
Popcorn maker.
We were talking about that
Sort out our
because
popcorn
these
problem.
two cannot take lactose or milk or cow's protein. So everywhere in Ghana, when you can buy popcorn, they just sneak, or mostly they sneak milk in there. So we might make our own. Again, there's that brand.
Mom, I'm leaving here. Bye. Daddy, I like this one.
They've got everything here. We came to shop for our own house, and these kids take over my life. They are for our own kitchen and stuff, but really, they're going to end up having their own sofa set.
You want to sit on your sofa? On your pink sofa?
Daddy, so baby, so we put the water here.
Sit down. Move out the way, you.
Oh, yeah.
You like your strawberry chair?
Yeah. Daddy, I like the strawberry chair.
So we're on a different day now because we weren't too sure about the palace prices, but also the wise thing to do is to have a look around for your options of prices and brands as well. So today we're going to Malcolm Plus. Have I been there? No, I've not been there, so looking forward to that. And again, we'll show you guys the different brands and the pricing to compare. Let's go. Shop is called Get for Less. So the one we're interested, this one is Toshiba. And I think it was about 8,300. Sound like this one because it's got bigger capacity, but I prefer like double-doored ones. And we all know Samsung, and this one is, where is it? There, 8,500. But there's no water dispenser. Found a favourite in LG on Spintex, and this one is 9,900.
So what is 9,000?
£1,200.
1,200.
Yeah.
Oh, Malcolm.
Welcome.
Yeah, a brand that's been around for a while apparently.
Okay.
Let's have a look at what they got to offer.
Starzy. Kai me pray. Asana wa kai me ye yo. Smobby.
If you get the money, now wow. If you no get money, too, now wow. If you get the money, now wow. If you no get money, too, now wow. Come back, she got about Abu Mwada. Koye go is on his own, yeah. He says on his own. Where, for two, yeah. something go unite until the bones are rotting. We never say die. To see the sad face smiley, never give up. Ice water ke pompo, baby, mass conductor. Russia lozo to choco, can't put your buenga zaza. If you today my hate ya mama min jimenie. Mama menum dinada ke mu wash it. Yeah, sure, yeah, if you get the money,
St. Giles Crash.
St. Giles Crash. St. Giles Crash.
St. Giles.
Hi everyone at St. Giles. Ghana's reminding us of you. You see this road is bumpy and every time it bumps this fox is waving at me. Eesh.
So we've come into the LG Centre on the Spintex Road, and it turns out that these guys are the main distributors for LG products and a few other products, and they have servicing available as well from LG engineers, and you can get your thing sorted if it goes wrong buying from here. So what's happened is the exact things that we really want isn't in stock. 2 weeks time it will be in stock. So we've got their number, they've got our number, they're going to let us know when the new stock comes in.
And they're really friendly, really
They're
good
very
advice,
friendly,
and they've
yeah.
given us their direct number as well,
Yeah.
so there's no
So
wahala.
everything here you get is original. That's what they told me here, yeah. So it's original stock,
Yeah.
and servicing is available here too.
Yeah.
So we'll be back in 2 weeks.
Yep. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe in 3, 2, 1. Welcome to the family. We hope you found it useful, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.